A very good morning, dear children. I have finished 2 chapters question answers. Today I will go with the 3rd chapter, comparing a globe and a map. Field visit. What we have studied, I'll just take a overlook on that chapter. Here this is the chapter, comparing a globe and a map, field visit. In this chapter we have studied about 2-dimensional objects. Just see the world of this outline map of a globe. We have studied about the 2-dimensional objects, 3-dimensional objects, then maps, globe, field visit, as well as eartha. Just see this, we have studied about the eartha also. Now we'll go for the question answers. I'll just solve orally. If you have written, well and good. If you have not written, please write it down in your notebook. What characteristics of 2 and 3-dimensional devices did you note? Okay. So we noted the following characteristics of 2 and 3-dimensional devices. First one, 2-dimensional devices have length and width. The product of length and width provides area. 3-dimensional devices have length, width and height, or you can say thickness. The product of length, width and height provides volume. This is the first question answer. Second one, what features can be shown on a very small globe? What features can be shown on a very small globe? Globe is small. Following features can be shown on a very small globe. They are parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes, countries, islands, gulfs, bays, seas, oceans, etc. So I said, what you can see, parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes. Second, countries, islands, gulfs, bays, seas, oceans, etc. you can see on a globe. Third question, which device will be suitable for understanding the concept of day and night on the earth? So which device will be suitable for understanding day and night on the earth? So it will be a globe. A globe will be suitable for understanding the concept of day and night on the earth. Which device will be useful to show your village and city? So which device is useful to show your village or city? A map, MAP map. Map will be useful to show your village or city. Which device can be easily carried from one place to another place? A map can be easily carried from one place to another place. So which device? A map can be easily carried from one place to another place. So here next is activity. Make 2 groups. Each group should ask other group to find the locations of different places on a globe. You may also do this with a map. You can sit together and you can do this. So please, if you not solve, please solve the question answers in your notebook. Thank you. Have a great day.